Foundation. This certificate is proudly presented to in sincere recognition and grateful appreciation of your invaluable support and participation in the Pinay Technician Training Program culminating activity held on March 12, 2026 at TESDA Provincial Training Center, Mintal, Tuldog, District, Davao City. Signed by Jonathan D. Samiliano, Vocational Instruction Supervisor, and Engineer Sammy S. Cameros, Center Administrator. Let's give her a round of applause.
Award the certificate to Mr. Cesar S. Subiling Jr. Miss Rosemar L. Provido.